Hey everyone! Today we're back with another fun and exciting episode featuring Lisa, Laura, and Lena. Get ready to explore their amazing styles, cute outfits, and all the fun choices that will keep you guessing. So which one will be your favorite today? Which one is your favorite, Lisa, Laura, or Lena? What's your choice? Which one you want to pick? I like Lisa's choices. What about you?
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
Are you a Lora fan or Lena fan?
The same way, gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay?
Tell me your choice in the comments below.
And I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought
I would
into
choose
this
Lena
place.
and you.
You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but
Who is your number one?
If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
Hey friends, what's your choice?
Never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Which one? Mention your favorite choice in the comments. Lisa, Laura, or Lena, who do you like more? Which one is your choice? Which one is your favorite, Lisa, Laura, or Lena? What's your choice? Which one you want to pick? If you like Lisa, Laura, and Lena, don't forget to like and subscribe. Are you a Laura fan or Lena fan? Tell me your choice in the comments below. I would choose Lena and you. Who is your number one? Hey friends, what's your choice? Which one? Mention your favorite choice in the comments. Lisa, Laura, or Lena, who do you like more? Which one is your choice? Which one is your favorite, Lisa, Laura, or Lena? What's your choice? Which one you want to pick? I like Lisa's choices. What about you? Are you a Laura fan or Lena fan? Tell me your choice in the comments below. I would choose Lena and you. Who is your number one?
But if I lay down
friends, what's your choice? Which one? Mention your favorite choice in the comments.
Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm.
Lisa,
feel the sweat
Lora,
inside my
or
palm.
Lena? Who do you like
Play with me
more?
like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Which one is your
You
choice?
don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the
Which
evil
one is your
voodoo.
favorite,
Got me
Lisa,
coming back
Lora,
for more,
or Lena?
even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got
What's your
issues
choice?
in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll
Which
come
one you
off
wanna pick?
desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
I like Lisa's choices. What about you? Are you a Lora fan or Lena fan?
So if I play dead,
Tell me your choice
will
in the
you
comments
regret
below.
everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black
I
and
would
blue
choose
from
Lena
the
and you.
bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting.
Who is your number one?
Confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the
friends,
solutions.
what's your choice?
I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't
Which
struck
one?
by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My
Mention
heart's
your favorite
been
choice in the
wounded.
comments.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I
Lisa,
don't ever feel
Lora,
calm.
or Lena?
I
Who do
can
you
feel
like
the sweat
more?
inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't
Which one is your
understand the pain
choice?
it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Which one is your favorite, Lisa, Lora, or Lena? What's your choice? Which one you want to pick? I like Lisa's choices. What about you? Are you a Lora fan or Lena fan?
And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored?